late start today. Dan had meetings, so I went out to the fabric store, found a really great fabric store that wasn't too far away, bought some fabric to make a curtain for the closet. It's about 3 and we are finally here at the bus. Dan is working on using a model to make a wall for the left side, the driver's side of the bus. We did finally get our insulation, so after I finish glazing the last little bit of the cupboard, I am going to cut the insulation into the shape it needs to be for the walls.
It's good.
What are you doing?
We get these roof racks on.
Let me see. And how's it going?
It's a little tough right now, but I'll get it. I'll get it.
All right, we got a lot done in about 4.5 hours, which was all we had today after Dan's work day. We put 2 of the roof racks on. Well, Dan did that. It's kind of amazing. Here's the washer on the other side. He hasn't glued them in yet. But they're in. So 2 of them. It was really kind of a process. And I cut the insulation to go along the walls here, which was, I like that job. It's not too exact for me. And we got some new little cushions. We wanted to try them out. We didn't order all of them yet for the couch, but we ordered a few. So I think we're gonna get another cushion to go on the last part of the couch, and then we're gonna get some for the back that could also be used on the sides once there are sides. We're not sure if we want to have them all blue or if that's just too much blue. Maybe we'll get a different color for the top. What do you think? Wow, what a mess, huh? We had to move everything away so we could work on the wall here. Here it is. That's bus life when you don't have an actual building to build in. You know, she looks kind of small sometimes, but when you're actually riding in this bus, you feel like you're in an enormous vehicle. Just one of those things to get used to. It was almost Valentine's Day, so we went out for drinks and sushi to celebrate.
Happy Valentine's Day tomorrow.
Happy Valentine's Day tomorrow. See you tomorrow.